what's up? Good morning. Today's Friday, November 20th, I think. Yeah, 20th. I leave tomorrow for Thanksgiving. We're going to North Carolina for Thanksgiving with my family. My family's driving up. Long story short, I can't drive up because, okay, I have a wedding to go to on the Saturday directly after Thanksgiving. So if I wanted to get to the wedding, I would either fly home or drive 15 hours by myself in one day. So I decided it would be in my best interest to fly, just because I feel comfortable driving 15 hours in one day alone, but it's just like a lot for me. So yeah, I'm flying to Raleigh, North Carolina tomorrow, and then I'm flying home, like back to my hometown of Palm Beach next Saturday. So long story short, I have to pack. I have my suitcase. I have a lot of stuff to do. I really do need to go to Target, but the things that I need to get, I don't have enough money for. I need to get a new thing of melatonin, and I think that was it actually. But the things of melatonin are really expensive. It's the one that I have sitting up there. They're like $16, I think, and I really don't have enough money for it. So I might see if there's a cheaper option, because I've been having trouble falling asleep lately, and melatonin really helps. And I ran out of it. Yeah, I have literally one left, so I need more of this, but it's so expensive. So I need to figure out what to do about that. And then I need to pack. I just put a little laundry, and I actually need to set a timer so I don't forget about that. And then I have to work on my internship. I finished all my schoolwork for this week, but I have to work on my internship a little bit. And one more thing. Oh, not really like important, but like in my head it is. I'm also gonna self tan, but I need to watch TV because I'm finishing Schitt's Creek today. I have 7 episodes left. I'm just gonna push through and finish it. And then I just started Grey's Anatomy, which is really good, but it's gonna take me forever to finish it because it's literally 17 seasons and counting. Like, they're still making episodes. So I love it so far. The plot is immaculate. If you know, you know. And I'm just gonna put my suitcase in here, probably start to lay out some things. Maybe I'll lay out some things before I put my suitcase out here. But Blake left this morning, so she's gone, which is sad, but she won't be back here till January. I'm coming back here after Thanksgiving break because I don't want to be at home for that long. And I also will focus better on my final exams here, and I will be able to make more YouTube content for you guys. I'm going to do like a room tour and stuff when I get back, which reminds me, I need to pack something to make for the room tour. Took a shower, by the way. I've been watching Schitt's Creek down here. I have like 5 episodes left, I think, and then I've been packing. I have all this stuff on the floor, and I think I pulled my suitcase in here, so I'm going to start throwing some stuff into there and slowly trying to get ready to go. Okay, here's an update. I pretty much finished packing, except I used my new luggage scale that I got at Target, and it's 2 pounds over, almost 3 pounds, so I'm gonna have to take a few things out, which is totally fine. I was expecting having to. I also have 1.5 episodes left of Schitt's Creek, which is kind of sad because it was really good, and I watched it in like less than 2 weeks. It's the fastest I've ever watched a show, but it is so good. So if you haven't watched it, I totally recommend. I did self-tanning also, which it hasn't really like fully kicked in, but I don't know. Oh, maybe it has. It looks pretty good so far. So I also got this. Got a McDonald's extra large Coke because I was really thirsty when I went to Target and I just couldn't help myself. I also got new earrings. I put these 2 in on my 2nd and 3rd hole, and then I did a star and a moon. I got a whole ton new earrings just because I'm trying to like try new things out. And that's what I want. Also, my friend did my nails. Her name's Chloe, and I love them. So thank you, Chloe. It's 4:58, so me and then my friend Cameron and my friend Emily are gonna go to dinner. And then my flight is at 8:16 tomorrow morning, so hi. I just finished Schitt's Creek, and I am crying. If you have the chance to watch it, please do. Even if you don't have the chance to watch it, please make time to watch it. It's in my top favorite shows of all time. one of the most beautifully, amazingly well-crafted shows that I've ever watched. And it's a lot more than a comedy. I think a lot of people think it's just gonna be a sitcom, but here I am ugly crying at the documentary that was made about it. So if you have the time to watch it, please do. I think it's a lot more than what you expect it to be, so don't knock it before you try it. It's a really beautiful story, so that's what I have to say about it. Please let me know when you watch it. DM me on Instagram or something. I need to talk to someone about it. I think I'm going to be thinking about that show for a really long time. So that's all I have to say about it. Hi guys, so it is a little bit later now, 10:20. I put my suitcase and stuff in the car, so I have my outfit for what I'm wearing on the plane tomorrow. I'm wearing my biggest boots so that didn't get incorporated into the 50-pound weight limit. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. I started it a few nights ago. And I'm already obsessed with it. I'm already on season 2, episode 1. I think I started like 3 nights ago, but it is really, really good. I never wanted to start it because I don't like blood and all that stuff, but everybody just keeps talking about it, and I finally was like, I need to watch it. So I started it, and I love it, and I don't want to really get my hopes up because I just know that, like, I shouldn't, because from what I've heard, I don't want to spoil it for anybody that doesn't know, but I mean, I kind of feel like I know the whole, like, everything that happens in the show just because everybody, like, stops talking about it or won't stop talking about it, and I got such a late start on it. Like, it literally started in 2005, so at this point, like, it's okay for me to be spoiled, but I'm obsessed with Meredith. I'm vlogging my day tomorrow / this week because it's Thanksgiving week, and I like vlogging that, so that's what's going on. I need to, hold on, I need to get to a part where, like, Meredith is in it. Give me 1 second. I need to show you guys. You need to see this. You're gonna die.
I don't think you should worry about that right now.
Please look at this. Wait, stop. Okay, wait.
Oh, hi, Chief. No.
This is very important stuff that we're talking about.
Other than your interim chief
I'm gonna pause it for you.
Stairwell, but hey, sponge duty sucks.
Talking to yourself?
Are you
No.
even?
Damn it. I'm a bet.
You're gonna tell me right now that you wouldn't fall in love with this woman? Okay. If your answer was no, I'm genuinely concerned for you. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm leaving bright and early in the morning. I just watched literally 9 or 10 episodes of Grey's to wait for something to happen, and I just found out that it's not happening until like it's an entire season away. So I guess this is why they say that you'll finish Grey's faster than you think, because I cannot stop watching, and I'm upset that I have to be up in 6 hours and can't finish watching it. So that's all, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
No one never loves her.